beaker and fill the water. And put the 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We can see that the particles are very tiny and easily dissolved in the water. We can give the label of A, B, C and D. We can see, take a 1 teaspoon of turmeric water and put into B. Take 2 teaspoons. We can see that tiny particles were converted here but not change the color and state. From B, we can take 2 teaspoons of water, turmeric water into C. This can change the color of water into light yellow. From this, we can put 2 teaspoons of water into D. We can see that all the glass have changed the color according to that matter and the liquid. Now second characteristics is matter have between space. Matter have between the space. Then we can take a glass and put a water. We can see that level of water is enough. Then we can put a spoon. The level of water is so much little and high. If we can put sugar in it and dissolve it.
What will happen?
Sugar will dissolve. Sugar will dissolve easily. This experiment we can see that water makes space to sugar dissolving. The level of water cannot make the high level.
Because it easily dissolve in water, so volume of water will not change. Okay? So ये main है इस experiment में. Or the particles which are not dissolved, that increase the water level. Why? Because they occupy the surface area. That's why the water level come up.
We can see that sugar is dissolved, then volume of water cannot change. Third characteristics, the matter are continuously moving.
Matters की
Take a 1 glass and fill the water.
अब वो आएगा.
We can add a turmeric. We can see that
दिख रहा है?
turmeric is moving in water very slowly. The particles of the turmeric will be continuously moving in water. Then fourth characteristic is matter attract each other. We can
water and then take one leaf and put in water.
So kept one leaves in the plain water. No sign or color added in this glass. Okay? चलो.
After all, rest it 2 to 3 hours and then the leaves.
Observe the lower part of the leaf. This one. There is no color changes. जो है वैसा plain का plain ही है. So this consider as a control. Control मतलब इसके अंदर कुछ experiment नहीं हुआ है. Same she put one leaf in the color water. Okay? Blue color dye water. After 2 to 3 hours, मतलब 1 hour maximum. वहाँ से स्टार्ट करके मैक्सिमम 1 आवर के अंदर हो गया क्योंकि कलर सॉल्यूशन का अमाउंट कैसा है डार्क है इसलिए So what we observe? We observe the lower part of leaf turn to be blue. पकड़ो और दिखाओ.
प्रिपरेशन इसके अंदर हमें चाहिए रहेगी 3 चीजें, व्हीट फ्लावर, शुगर एंड वाटर. यस. Add a water. Make a dough without using oil. Our dough is ready and pack a plastic sheet. And seal with rubber band या thread. So observe is this bowl.
इधर दिखाओ.
In it, I 1 spoon of wheat flour and this make a 2 spoon of wheat flour. By this, all of you today we will go into transpiration. First of all, we can take one polythene bag and take a branch of tree. Now we take Now we can put this branch and polythene bag in the sunlight for 1 to 1 hour. You can see after 2 hours we can see the small droplets comes into polythene bag. See everyone. Atmosphere. This experiment called transpiration.
कंक्लूजन करो.